Okay, so hold on, let me just hide this thing here. I don't know, can you see it? I don't know how to hide it. Anyway, we'll just leave it over here. So hopefully you've made your own file, and quick how you're going to do this. First, you're going to highlight. You can click on it, hold down the shift button and an arrow. I find that a little easier than trying to use the mouse. And then we'll go up to this tool saying insert chart, and that's what we need. We need concentration versus time for our first graph. I'm going to shrink it down and stick it under here because I know I'm going to shrink to copy it to a page anyway. Then I also wanted to highlight again, so I just put my cursor on that, hold down the shift key, go over one, and hopefully you can hear my little keyboard tapping. I'm going to control copy and I'm going to put it right here, control V. Now the instructions tell me to now graph it for the natural log of the concentration of A. So I'm just going to title ln concentration A. So down here, I'm going to hit equals, and I want to take the natural log, and it says, do you want to take the natural log of a base E or Euler's number? And tab to accept, so you hit the tab button, and it's asking for the value. I want it to be that value. It's not going to do anything till you close parentheses and hit enter. Now, the suggested autofill, you want to accept that. That is the suggested autofill. So now we want to graph time and the natural log of the concentration of A, but we don't want this. So what you do is you hide that column, and then we can do what we did before. We're going to hold down my shift, select these puppies, go to the little graph icon. That's the chart. Is that a straight line? I don't think so, but shrink it down. We'll put it down here, and we have one more time to go. Now, the last time we copied and paste something, I believe it was just this, so copy and paste it here. However, the instruction says now I'm going to do 1 divided by the concentration of A. There we go. So again, it's going to be the equal sign, 1 divided by, and what? That. So I'm going to hit enter. And suggested autofill, what it's doing is it's doing it all the way down. So I'm like, yeah, let's take the suggested autofill. Again, I want to graph this, but I don't want to graph this puppy. So I'm going to hide that column. And then I'm going to select, hold down the shift, arrow down. I hit that little graph thing. Oh, that's a straight line puppy. So basically, using this, we're determining what order the reaction is. So what we're looking for is a straight line, the y equals mx plus b relationship. And if you get a straight line, then that is the order of the reaction. So this is graphing experimental data to do that. And I hope this helped.